Hey everybody, you're on the Geekbox YouTube channel. Today I will tell you how to install YouTube TV on old Samsung Smart TV. Let's go. First way, if you have a Smart TV, old Smart TV, open App Store. Search, find YouTube TV app. If you don't have a Smart TV, you will need a Smart TV box. This TV box will turn your old TV into a new Smart TV. It could be Roku TV, Amazon Fire Stick, Google Chromecast or Apple TV. Connect your TV box via HDMI and install any app you want, including YouTube TV. That's it, now you know how to install YouTube TV on old Samsung Smart TV. If I've helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel. Good luck and see you soon.